You gotta get a good spoon.
That is a good spoon. That spoon's huge. Not a heaping scoop either. That is heaping. That's a lot.
Caitlin's gonna try to swallow this. And
No, that's like too much.
No, it's not.
That's heaping. Okay.
There. And you have to swallow.
Oh no. I'm gonna die. Why is that up in my face?
Swallow.
Swallow.
You can.